Hello students, today I am going to discuss your next topic of chapter 1, metalloids. The elements which shows some properties of metals and some other properties of non-metals are called metalloids. Example, boron, silicon and germanium. Students, we have discussed there are three kinds of elements: metals, non-metals and metalloids. In previous lectures, we have discussed metals and non-metals. Today, we are going to discuss metalloids and other topics. So, students, what are metalloids? Metalloids are the elements that shows the properties of both metals as well as non-metals. For example, boron, silicon, and germanium, etc. After that, your next topic is compounds. A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements. A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion by mass. Students, when two or more elements combined with each other in a fixed proportion by mass, then the formation of compound take place. For example, FeS, iron sulfide, H2O, water, etc. The properties of a compound are entirely different from those of the constituent elements. Means the properties of iron sulfide will be different from iron and sulfur both. Next topic, mixture. Mixture. A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined together, or when two substances mixed with each other in any proportion, not fixed ratio, then we will get mixture. For example, air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. All the solutions are mixture like sugar solution, salt solution, etc., milk, blood, etc. After that, types of mixture. Students, there are two types of mixture: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture are also known as solution, and heterogeneous mixture. There are two types of heterogeneous mixture: suspension and colloids. Homogeneous mixture: those mixtures in which the substances are completely mixed together and are indistinguishable from one another are called homogeneous mixture. Students, homogeneous mixture is a kind of mixture which has same composition throughout. All the homogeneous mixture are called solution: sugar solution, salt solution, solution of copper sulfate, alcohol, water mixture, etc. Heterogeneous mixture: if the composition of mixture not same throughout, then the mixture is known as heterogeneous. Friends, whenever the composition is different in each part of the mixture, then the mixture is known as heterogeneous. For example, sand sugar mixture, soil water mixture, milk and blood. Solution. As you have seen, what is solution? A solution is a kind of homogeneous mixture of two or more substances like salt and water. The substance which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called solute, and the liquid in which solute is dissolved is known as solvent. Means there are two main components of a mixture or of a solution, solute and solvent. The substance that is dissolved is known as solute, and the material in which solute is dissolved is known as solvent. Usually, the substance present in lesser amount in a solution is considered as solute, and the substance present in greater amount in a solution is considered as solvent. The solute particles are also called disperse phase or dispersed particle, and the solvent are also known as dispersion medium. Properties of solution. The important characteristic properties of solutions are as follows. First, a solution is homogeneous mixture. The size of solute particle in a solution is extremely small, less than 1 nanometer. The particle of a solution cannot be seen. The particles of a solution pass through the filter paper, so a solution cannot be separated by filtration. The solution are very stable. The particles of solute present in a solution do not settle down or separate out on keeping. A true solution does not scatter light. This is because its particles are very small. After that, suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the size of solid particle is more than 100 nanometer. Example, chalk water mixture, muddy water, milk of magnesia, etc. Properties of suspension. The important characteristic properties of suspension are given below. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The size of solid particle is more than 100 nanometer. The particle of suspension can be seen easily. The particle of suspension do not pass through a filter paper, so a suspension can be separated by filtration. So students, next point, the suspension are unstable. The particles of suspension settle down after some time. Then colloids. A colloid is a kind of solution in which the size of solid particles is intermediate between those in the true solution and those in the suspension, 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Soap solution, star solution, milk, etc. Properties of colloids. The important characteristic properties of colloids are: a colloid appears to be homogeneous, but actually it is heterogeneous. The size of particle in colloid is between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. The particle of most of the colloid cannot be seen. The particles of a colloid can pass through a filter paper, so cannot be separated by filtration. The colloids are quite stable. The particles of a colloid do not separate out on keeping. A colloid scatters a beam of light passing through it. Tyndall effect. The process of scattering of light by the particles of colloid is known as Tyndall effect. Brownian movement. The zigzag movement of colloidal particles is known as Brownian movement. Students, what are the main topics of today class? The main topics of today class is types of mixture. There are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is also known as solution, and heterogeneous mixture are of two types: suspension and colloids. Solution or true solution: if the size of solid particle is less than 1 nanometer, then it is true solution or solution. If the size of solute particle in between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer, then it is colloid. If more than 100 nanometer, then it will be suspension. Okay, thank you students. It will be continue in next class.